Tired of shoebox accounting and ready to take control of your business finances? Then let's dive into creating your company in Peachtree Complete Accounting 2009, so you can get organized and start managing your money like a pro. First, open Peachtree and on the startup screen, select Create a New Company. This will launch the New Company Setup wizard. Now, enter your company details, including your company name, address, and other relevant contact information. Double-check everything is accurate. Next, you'll set up your chart of accounts. You have a few options. You can use a sample chart of accounts based on your industry, copy settings from an existing company, or build your own from scratch for beginners. Using a sample chart is the easiest way to get started. Finally, configure your basic accounting preferences. This includes choosing your accounting method, like cash or accrual, and setting up your fiscal year. These settings are crucial for accurate financial reporting, so make sure they align with your business practices. Congratulations! Your company file is now created. You can now start entering transactions, managing customers and vendors, and generating reports. Now you're ready to manage your business finances with Peachtree Complete Accounting 2009.